The age-old quest to outwit the school Chromebook restrictions and sneak in some Roblox gaming during study breaks. Video game, I see you're ready to embark on this noble adventure. Fear not, young Robloxian. Let me guide you through the clandestine paths of Chromebook wizardry. Man-mage. Here are some clever workarounds to get Roblox up and running on your school Chromebook. Play Roblox in your browser. You might be able to play Roblox directly in your browser using a platform like now.gg. It hosts games that work well even on less powerful computers, like our trusty Chromebooks. Give it a whirl. Globe with meridians. Use a VPN or proxy server. If your school's firewall is being a stubborn gatekeeper, consider using a VPN, virtual private network, or a proxy server. These magical tools can help you bypass restrictions and access Roblox. Just remember to respect your school's policies while doing so. Rocket. Third-party sites. Sometimes, third-party sites like APK might not be blocked on your school network. You can try downloading Roblox from there. Just be cautious and ensure you're not violating any rules. Man detective.